Welcome to this MeetingBooster video tutorial on the meeting minutes approval process. Quite often at the end of meetings, it's required to send the meeting minutes out for approval before they're distributed and archived. This can all be handled electronically through the MeetingBooster system. Here we have, at the end of the meeting, our meeting minutes, and in the ribbon toolbar across the top, the functionality to send this out for approval. Here I can select my approvers, edit or add new approvers. When distributing out the meeting minutes for approval, the approver will receive an email notification as well as a notification when they next log into the MeetingBooster system. Under my Pending Approvals section of the MeetingBooster interface, I can now review these meeting minutes, make any changes and any suggestions through the attendee input. Using the ribbon toolbar, I can even edit any of the meeting minutes, and any changes will be recorded and timestamped. Once changes have been made, you can select on Show Changes to review any changes that have been made throughout the approval process. At any time, the meeting organizer can review the approval status, send a reminder, triggering an email and a notification in the MeetingBooster system, until ultimately the meeting minutes are approved, at which point they may be then distributed and archived and made available to all the meeting attendees.